Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit the ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Well, let's take a look what has changed here on the euro currency on the daily time frame, and in fact I see that not much changes have happened from the previous trading session. So what we see, yesterday we have discussed that here we could get the similar setup as it was right here, because you can see it almost even the same shape of the candles have been formed right here. So we can see plunge down, high wave candle, it's doji with a long leg, it's the same pattern right around the target. So here it was 100% extension of that A, B, C top pattern. Here we see that this is 127 extension and market stands again right at oversold. Well, yesterday we have expected that market probably will start retracement to the upside, and in fact it has tried to do that, has shown some attempt to continue move to the upside. The small pullback on the hourly time frame, we will discuss it a bit later, but it hasn't quite reached the target of the harmonic swings that stands around 131.60 area. So that retracement yesterday was really shallow. So our target on next target on the daily time frame still the same. This is the 1618 extension of that ABCD pattern, and take a look that yearly pivot point 129.08 that hasn't been tested yet. If we will take a look at this move to the downside, we'll see that retracements are quite shallow, especially here. You can see that after hitting of the significant target, the first sold, market has shown really very small bounce, and this move to the downside was really heavy. That let me suggest that probably we will see the continuation to the 1618 extension at minimum. Also, this is the same target, the same area that is the target of this some kind of looking head and shoulders pattern. Recall that the target of the head and shoulders is the distance from the top of the head to the neckline, counted right from the break-even point and counted to the downside. And this target is pointing on the same area. It's around 129, 129.50 level. So I think that market will breach it. I do not know will it happen on current week or maybe on the next one, but it's really a solid probability that we will see this area. But now let's deal with this current situation. So we see almost the same price action as it was around this target, so we can count on some bounce, some rally that we could use to enter on the short side of the market. And scalp traders still could try to make some profit from the bouncing right back from this significant support area. On the hourly time, on the 4-hour time frame chart, we see a couple of significant observations. First of all, take a look at how market behaves with the MACD indicator. So that is the harmonic swings that we have marked yesterday. As you can see, market hasn't quite reached this target of this harmonic swing. So you can see how market acts. Plunge down, flat action, retracement. Again, plunge down, flat price action, retracement to the upside. So market is forming some sort of the, if you could call it, it's not the pure example, but still some sort of the bullish dynamic pressure when it reaches oversold on the daily time frame and shows some flat action while trend holds bearish. That tells that market could show the pullback to the upside. Here it has happened again. You can see flat action while trend holds bearish, retracement up. And here again you see the plunge down. That is the flat action. Trend has turned bearish by this candle, but market stands flat while trend stands still bearish. This points that in fact the pullback could happen. Anyway, until market will not taken out of this low, the probability of retracement still holds on the market. So if you would like to make the scalp long trade, scalp buy trade, with the hope that market will reach the area around 131.60 area. It's retracement. Also take a look that this is very common through the recent price action. Market retraces right back to the previous lows. This natural support resistance action. So that was the resistance. Here you can see retracement right back, touching, plunge down. Again, retracement right to the previous lows. Here again, if market will show this the harmonic swing, it will retrace right to the previous lows. So very harmonic price action now on the euro currency. And in general, the major level to watch for is this low that I marked with this red circle. Until market holds above this area, above this low, retracement is still possible. To speak about the bearish continuation, again, we need that market will take it out of this low. And until this market still holds above it, probability of retracement holds. So you could make some scalp buy trade against these lows. Well, but this is just for some small bounce, not just for reversal or long-term trade. This is just the scalp trade for the couple of hours. The market will show the pullback. That's all. Because current price action, doesn't absolutely exclude the possibility of further retracement right to the 131.60 area. That is possible. Well, but from the another point of view, I do not see any other patterns right here. So if here we have the excellent example of the double repo buy with this nice wash and rinse, this was really a nice probability and very nice pattern that has been formed here with the potential retracement, and we have traded it. But here, nothing of such kind. It's just not this thrust is too shallow to speak about the double repo. Well, here is also some just identifiable consolidation, with no patterns, a lot of overlapping bars. So that is just some sort of the trade against this daily support, I suppose. Nothing more. Well, so think about, will you take this opportunity or not? For other traders who trade on the daily time frame, you just better to wait for some pullback to the upside and watch the possibility to sell from the area around 131.60 area, I suppose. So it could be minor bounce. But take a look as well. This level is 1618 extension of the previous swing to the upside. What if market will form some sort of the short-term reversal head and shoulders pattern? That also is possible. So if market will break this harmonic swing to the upside, the moment to watch for. Usually when the market exceeds the harmonic swing, it moves in doubles. So you could calculate the double distance to the upside. This market will reach this area, probably the previous top on the market. This will be the signal for some deeper retracement. So you can see that the current situation is very interesting. So a lot of moments could happen. This is just some anticipation of the possible events. It's just to resolve your possible questions. If you will see that market will accelerate further and reach some higher level, for instance somewhere around the weekly pivot point or something of that kind, because now market still stands around the support, around weekly pivot support one. So anything is possible. I just want to share with you all the potential scenarios. So that's been said, until market holds above this low, the retracement is possible. So if you would like to make the scalp buy trade, make it against this low. If market will exceed this harmonic swing to the upside, the next level to watch for will be somewhere around 132.60 area, maybe a bit higher, since, as I said, market usually tends to double the harmonic swings if it will exceed it. Well, on the hourly time frame, we see not much interesting. Here was our double repo buy pattern with the starting of the stop grabber. Nice opportunity to enter was right here, as you can see, a bit in the anticipating of the double repo pattern. Market has shown the pullback to the upside, but although that was the shape of the double repo, market hasn't achieved the target of this pattern. As you can see, just was 3.8 probably, or even lower retracement to the upside. But that pullback has allowed us to place the stop and the break even, because currently to protect your position is very important, even maybe more important than just maybe the trading in the current environment, since market is really volatile and very strongly impacted by different news. For instance, yesterday Big Ben said that it's too early to close the quantitative easing program, and that was really the shake for the gold market and for currency market as well. So you can see this current market is very difficult to trade, and pay a lot of attention to protecting your positions to reduce your potential losses and risk. So on the hourly time frame, what we see, that could become some sort of the double bottom, maybe, if market will show this retracement to the upside. If we will count the target of this potential pattern, we will see that it stands around 132, 132.20, well, very close to the target of the harmonic swing. Again, now we see also some small shallow stop grabber right here, and I suppose that double repo pattern hasn't been erased totally, because market hasn't closed below the 618 support of this recent swing to the upside, I suppose. Anyway, this doesn't change the same conclusion that we have made on the 4-hour time frame, is that is the significant low. That is, by the way, the hammer pattern on the hourly time frame, and until market holds above it, the retracement still is possible to the upside. It is another question: will you take it the opportunity to make the scalp buy or not, or you will wait for just reaching some resistance area and such possibility to enter short with the target around 129.50 area. So that's very personal, since it depends on your risk management and your risk aversion. So let's see how it will turn, because on the euro currency it's really interesting times, and market forms a lot of different situations and patterns that potentially are very interesting to trade.